Would you like to learn how to be more flexible? Well, stay tuned and we'll find out how. Hi, I'm Lynn Hayden with Dancing for Him Ministries. Today we're going to talk about 5 easy stretches that you can do at home to help improve your flexibility. If you like this kind of content, please hit the subscribe button down below and the notifications bell so that you'll be updated as to when new videos come out that relate to worship dance. Also, leave a comment how you will have liked it. Give me a like, give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Also, in the comment section, I want to hear from you and what you want to know about. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, welcome to the studio. Come on down on the floor. Stretching is best done after a little bit of basic body warm-up. So assuming that you've warmed up, I'm going to show you some stretches that you can do to improve your flexibility. Number 1, soles of the feet together, sitting up nice and tall. Now, if you'd like, so you don't overstretch if you're not used to this, you could put some pillows under your knees, and that will help you to gradually increase your flexibility. But anyway, so sitting up nice and tall, we're just going to drop our head down so the top of our head goes towards our feet. So you just roll down and you'll feel the stretch in your outer hips, your low back a little bit, your inner thighs, and you want to hold the stretch for about 20 seconds. Most stretches should be held about 20 seconds, and I try to stretch at least 3 days a week, if not more. So I recommend, even if it's just like 10 minutes of stretches, like 2, 3, 4 times a week, that will help improve your flexibility. So anyway, you're holding down and just roll on up nice and easy. Like stretch number 2. It's nice to be able to stretch all directions of the spine. You're twisting, you're bending, your forward flexion and back. So number 2, we're going to just reach over to the side. So I'm able to put my elbow on the ground, but if you're just starting here and you feel a stretch in your waist on the side, that's wonderful. And then just work up gradually to a deeper stretch and just try to keep your shoulders down, keep your stomach in, your head in line with your spine, and feel a nice stretch. Maybe give it an extra little stretch and use your supporting hand to help you back up. And let's go to the other side, same thing, and just stretch. Now, if you're not quite there with your elbow on the floor, you may feel your hips starting to come up. So if you feel like your hip is coming up, that means you're not quite there. You want to push that hip down into the floor so both hip bones or your seat bones are down on the ground, which may mean that you might have to push up a little bit with the elbow. But oh, that feels so good. Nice stretch. Oh. And I like to kind of round over and go to the other side, and round and go to the other side, just warming up the entire spine. Stretch number 3 is your legs to the front, but let's go ahead and take your right leg straight and your left foot by your right thigh. Now I'm in opposition to you, so I'm speaking in opposition. So I'm using my left leg, but you can use your right. So anyway, just reach up as tall as you can. Reach, reach, reach. And exhale and round over. So your head is going toward your knee, and just round over as best you can. And just hold the stretch and kind of breathe with it. Just relax, relax into it. Now you'll feel it in your hamstring, the back of your leg, and just hold. And you may want to flex your foot for a slightly deeper stretch. Try to stay down there and feel that stretch. And relax and use your hands to help you come up like that. And let's switch legs. So now your left leg is straight and your right foot is at your left thigh. And reach up, 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 nice and tall, stretch, 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 and round over and hold. And just hold the stretch. There. And then flex the foot. And use your hands to help you come up carefully. Let's open the legs out to the side for stretch number 4. So now, obviously, this is pretty far, but I have been dancing for over 50 years and have been doing this since 1967. So please don't be discouraged if you can't get out here. It does happen over time. So then you just reach over to the side. Oh, that feels good. Nice stretch. And just hold, hold, hold. So you can work up to it gradually. Over the years at the conferences, I've seen people improve their flexibility. It just takes patience, practice, and time, but you can do that. And come up, and let's go to the other side, and stretch. Try to keep your shoulders down, keep your stomach in, try to have your knees stay on top. Oh, that feels good. And then kind of go forward. Don't worry about me, go where you can go. But again, don't be discouraged, you know, just keep practicing, keep doing it. Stretch a little every day, or, you know, 3 or 4 times a week, whatever works for you. And just use your hands to help you get up. So stretch number 5. So your legs are straight, toes are pointed, and you just reach your arms out and up, flex the feet, lift the chest and open and contract like somebody punched you in the stomach, and round and give yourselves a hug. So that gives a nice stretch in the upper back. And then point the toes, sit up 1 vertebrae at a time, starting from the low back. Open, open, open the arms, clasp the hands behind you, and drop your head towards your knees, stretching the fronts of your shoulders. And let's try it again. Stretch, reach it out and up, flex and lift the chest and open and contract and round. And give yourselves a hug. Point the toes, come up and open, open and stretch and clasp the hands and dive your head down towards your knees. So that stretching forward really helps with the shoulders, especially if you sit at a computer a lot. I've noticed lately I kind of hunch over a little bit where I never used to do that. So this exercise really helps to kind of open the chest, but it's a nice kind of an overall stretch. So. Well, I hope you found that helpful, and I hope to see you again. Those stretches and many more can be found on the Stretch and Adoration DVD that you can find. I'll put a link down below so you can find it. So I hope to see you on another video, and keep on dancing for him. God bless.